Hey, welcome back to Under Construction Garage. Sort of got ahead of myself, started taking the truck apart before I started recording, so do a little bit of catch up real quick. So taking the hood off, fender, all the front end started to tear apart. Gonna take the other fender off, leave the rod supports. I can leave all the fluids in for now and still be able to somewhat move it. I'm gonna take the air system out, put it back on shop air the way I got it, nice and easy, still movable, do full suspension lift on it. Then I'm gonna take the fuel tank out of the back, take the box off, and that way it's just straight down to a cab and motor trans and rad support. So that'll be over the next couple videos, and hopefully follow along. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. Well, let's see how this goes. Try it out. Okay, well that's going to be it for this time. Let's see how far we got. You know, the air system batteries are all unhooked. Air system, all the gauges and everything are all unhooked. Just got to block up the truck and drain the system and then put it on shop air. Next time we'll take on the fuel tank and everything else. Anyways, keep mini trucking.